Well, hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about winter readiness. Everybody wants to sell a car here. Everybody wants to sell service. It's an important function of our business, but an even more important function for our business is your safety. That's right. We need you to stay safe on those roads. We need you to stay safe while you're driving. A good way to stay safe in these winter months. This is January. It's the end of January right now. We still have February, March. I've seen snow in April here in Wisconsin. So we're not out of the woods yet. Very important to keep certain things in your vehicle while you're driving in case of emergency. We're going to go over those things here in a couple minutes, or a couple seconds, I should say, or a few seconds, whatever. But first and foremost, you want to maintain your battery. If your battery is older than 3 years old, I would highly recommend getting a brand new battery in your car. I would also recommend that if you don't buy a brand new battery, have your battery tested, have it checked. Make sure that its cold crank is good enough and charged enough so that you don't get stranded someplace. Next, you want to check your fluid levels. And fluid levels, you want to check your oil, your transmission. You want to make sure all your fluids are exactly where you need them to be. Very important in these winter months. Another thing now, when you're driving around, you want to keep a couple blankets in your car, just in case you get stranded somewhere and it gets cold. Granted, you're in the car protects you against the wind chill, but it still gets dangerously cold. And if you don't have power to your car, if your car can't start, that means you cannot use the heat. Very important to have some blankets in that car to keep you warm until help arrives. I also recommend having a book of matches in your car, just in case. You never know the situation. You might end up in a ditch someplace out in the woods. You may need to start a fire. And I know that sounds corny, sounds weird, but this is real life. And a book of matches with some kindling that you can start a fire is very useful and very helpful, and it will definitely keep you safe. I recommend driving around having water. Keep water in your car. I mean, bottles of water. If you're stuck out all night, you don't want to dehydrate. You keep water with you. Another very important feature to keep yourself safe during the winter, I recommend having one of these right here. This is a portable battery charger for your car. If your battery dies, you have this charged up, keep it with you. Then you can at least jumpstart your car and get yourself to safety. Very, very important to keep one of these. Once again, here at Russ Darrow Mazda, we want to earn your business, but we can't earn your business if you're not staying safe. We're all a family. We're all just trying to make it in this crazy world. And if we can give you some good advice, something to keep you going, something to keep you safe, then we've done our job. Thank you for listening to me. Once again, this is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come and talk to me. We'll talk about your winter readiness, maybe put you in a new car. Who knows? Nonetheless, I'll look for you on the lot. You take care, have a great day, and be safe.